Hello, students of Std-8. Welcome in this YouTube channel of Montbretia. I'm here with your same chapter in history, establishment of British rule in India. Britishers has came to our country, but before Britishers, many other foreign countries also reached our country. They tried to occupy our country, but each and every country came to India only to do business. In the name of business, they tried to occupy the political system of our country. Why? I have taught you. Because political disunity in our country, weak rulers, they were fighting among each others, and this advantage they have taken the foreigners and wanted to capture the internal affairs of our country. Now, today we will see two things. How before the British, before the English, who are the other? One already I have told Portuguese, they're the first to come India. Portuguese were the first Europeans to arrive in our country in Surat. You remember, not in Surat, in Daman, Goa, Daman and Diu in 1498. Who has started the trade route? Vasco da Gama. I think you people remembered. Now, second one is Dutch. Dutch, whoever has came to our country, they have made their own company first. So, since we are in the East, therefore they have made Dutch East India Company. They made Dutch East India Company. Why? They wanted to do business with India. Previously, Dutch used to import or just used to purchase the goods from the Portuguese. Because Portuguese came to our country, they take our minerals, spices, and then they sell it to the Dutches and other European countries. Dutch used to take or purchase everything from the Portuguese. Now the Dutch wanted to take it directly from our country. So they made Dutch East India Company and came to our country. They fought with the Portuguese and they made them out from where? From the Malayan Straits and Indonesian islands. They have removed them from there. And in this way, they tried to control the part. They established their trading centers at Surat, Broch, Masulipatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Chinsura in Bengal, Patna and Agra. In 1658, they owned Ceylon from the Portuguese, but the English owned the possession of the Dutch one by one. Then came French. French established the French East India Company. Every European country's first established companies, I have told you. They also established French East India Company and started their factories in Surat and Masulipatnam. These are the port cities. That's why every European countries first start their business in these port countries, because that time only sea route was there, no other routes. In 1674, the French established Pondicherry and made it their headquarters. The French company had its factories also in the east and west coast of India. Their factories were at Chandannagar, Mahe, and Karikal. The company also established its control over the island of Mauritius and Bonbon in the Indian Ocean. In 1742, France appointed Dupleix, very important general, governor general. What was Dupleix's idea? His idea was to establish French Empire in India. And they had war between the two powers. Between the French and the English, there were always a tussle. Who wanted to capture India? Both of them wanted to capture India. Both of them wanted to control the situation of our country, the disunity which prevails in our country, in our own rulers, with our own rulers, within our own rulers. That opportunity both the European countries wanted to take, French and English. And at last, French were defeated by the English, and English were able to control the Indian territories alone and ruled for many, many, many years in our country and made us slave. Okay, at last the English emerged victorious in these wars, Anglo-French wars, and were able to contain the French influence in India. Okay, so these are the three European countries, Portugal, Dutch, and French, who tried to control the countries or the territories of India at first. But they were all overthrown by the only one European country, that is British or English. After that, they ruled in our country for many, many years. How? Who has given them the permission? Who has first came to take permission to trade within India? From whom? These all things we will go through in our next video, slowly and gradually. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.